In problem number 8, you are looking for the measure of angle P. Well, this is a really complex problem. And when you are stuck on a really complex problem, there's a list of steps that you can follow to help you to find some missing values. The first one is to trace all the diameters in any circle in green. And in this particular problem, they don't give you any diameters, so we're going to skip that. The second suggestion is to mark all radii in one circle congruent. And I do have 3 radii that I'm going to mark congruent. I don't know how that helps me yet. Hopefully we'll figure that out soon. The next suggestion is to mark the 90-degree angle between any tangent and its radius. It tells us that ray PA is tangent to circle Q. So I know that this is a 90-degree angle because it's where the tangent meets the radius, QA. So I know that's 90 degrees. The last suggestion is to use the measure of an arc, because the measure of an arc is equal to the measure of its central angle, to find some missing values. So I have a 78-degree arc here. If I mark the endpoints of that arc, it's C and it's A. And then I connect the endpoints to the center of the circle, so C to Q, A to Q. This central angle must be 78 degrees. It's the same as the arc that has those endpoints. Look at the 168-degree arc. It ends at B and it ends at A. Connect B to Q, connect A to Q. This angle must be 168 degrees, that central angle. In other words, the angle whose vertex is on the center of the circle has the same measure. So now let's look for this 360 degree. I know that 360 degrees minus the 78 minus the 168 will give me the value of this angle right here. And because that angle is part of an isosceles triangle, if the 2 radii are congruent, this is an isosceles triangle, then this angle x must be congruent to this angle x. The base angles in an isosceles triangle are congruent. Once I know x, I can use that value to find angle C, this part right here. X plus whatever this value is will equal 180 degrees. That's a linear pair. Now look what you know. In this quadrilateral right here, you know the 90 degrees, you know the 78 degrees, and you just found the measure of angle C. Since there's 360 degrees in any quadrilateral, you can use that fact to find this missing angle measure.